Hey guys, so today, all right, we're working with our reflections, all right. So we're actually going to jump into IXL here to show you the examples, and we'll get you started on your way that's there. So we are in X here with our coordinate plane, and where it says new, all right, you're going to reflect a point over an axis there. So here we go. So a reflection is the same distance away from the line that you're reflecting over. So I notice here that the letter K is 1, 2 away from the reflection line. So I also need to go 1, 2 away. Click, and there we are. That's it, people. It's counting, all right? You just got to make sure that you count the same distance here. All right, so H, how far is H away from this reflection line? All right, well, 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, 5, and there we are, 6. So I also need to go 6 away, which means going up to 6. I can count each square, or I can use the axis to help me out with it. Let's see how I did. Oh, super. All right. So if we notice here in this problem, the axis they're asking me to reflect over is now the y-axis. It's the one that's going up and down. So this time I got to count going right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Voila, there we go. So reflection, the same as part. Ooh, red line. All right. I was about to stop right there, but now that we got a red line here, I'm curious. A 1, 2, 3, a 1, 2, 3. So if you notice, oh, it's not letting me click here. Well, let me see here. Oh, what are the coordinates? Oh, okay. So if we're 1, 2, 3, so it's a 1, 2, 3. So the ordered pair where my cursor is at, it's at the ordered pair -3 because I had to go to the left -3. And then I'm not moving up or down at all, so it's a 0 that we're looking at. If you notice here, they didn't here. All right, let's see if we can get back to one of those. Let's see here. So we are 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, click. Let's see if it'll give it to me this. Oh, what did I do wrong? The correct answer is, let me see what I ended. I miscounted. Look, 4 versus 5. It's going to happen sometimes. So be careful because it is going to drop your score, and it can make this. So watch that. Okay, so the last one that we want to do here, I do want to bring to your attention. It's just the way we write it out here. You see how it has this little mark next to the S, kind of looks like an apostrophe. We call that a prime symbol in math. So we have point S up here, and we call this point S prime. All right. Really not something you need to be aware of, but just in case you were curious about it. So, okay, so we are 1, 2, 3, 4 away. Now we're 1, 2, 3, 4 away. So to get to that point, I have to go to the right 5, and then I'd have to go down to -4. And voila, there we go. So that's what you're after there, people. Enjoy.